what are some of the important functions of water? It's like the go-to for kids, adults, anyone.
Exactly, and it was very trendy right now, which I like because we need to drink more water.
Water is trendy?
It's very trendy. Don't you see everybody with their water bottles and, you know, and all the different styling water bottles?
Hashtag
and kids,
I drink water, yes.
Yes, and kids will carry water bottles to school now, which I love, because before you would see them with the juice or the sodas. We need to hydrate, especially if they're involved in any kind of activities, even PE.
Anything.
Any kind of recess. They're outside in the sun, it's hot all year round here. So we have to make sure we're hydrating, and it's an essential nutrient because, again, we need to get it from the outside. And there is water in certain things. So if you're drinking coffee or teas and even sodas and other things have water, but nothing really replaces drinking enough water.
Right.
How much is enough? Is that what you're going to ask me next?
I'd say, do you want my job?
No.
Because you're doing a good job at it. Yes, that is my next question, actually.
Thinking, how much do we need?
Yes, and I'm going to ask you, how much do we need?
So the average person, we say 8 to 10 cups a day. A cup is 8 ounces, but it also depends on what else? How much you're sweating.
Right.
So if you're outside and you're doing a lot of activity or just outside sweating because it's humid outside, lots of water to replenish.
Especially here in South Florida,
Especially
Angie.
here in South Florida. It's very hot all the time. So we always need to be carrying water with us, always drinking, and then you have to have a bathroom close by. That's the only negative, but we need to make sure that we do follow it, because otherwise they can affect your kidneys, and you become dehydrated very easily. So if you're sluggish and tired, it could be a little bit of dehydration. If you're getting those 8 to 10 cups a day, and then when you go to the bathroom, it's pretty much a clear or very light yellow urine, that's what the doctors usually recommend as being well hydrated. So different ways to check it out.
And one of the things I learned from actually the Baptist dietitians is you never drink water just when you're thirsty.
Right. Thirst is almost like a mechanism. It's too late. I'm thirsty, that means I'm a little dehydrated already. So always trying to have water when you wake up in the morning, in between meals, with your meals definitely, and then before bed. The only thing with that is sometimes you have to get up to go to the bathroom in the middle of the night, but it is good to be hydrated throughout the day.